Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys my reservation or how to check on the timelines of your Cybertruck reservation as of when you're going to be getting to your vehicle. All right. So here under the reservation number, you just put in the reservation number, and then I guess it populated up the North America, the single motor, and stuff like that. And it asks whether you're in Texas or California. I put yes, and then after that, I hit estimate delivery time and it shows me looks like you're about 1,558,278 in line. Your estimated Cybertruck delivery month is March 2027. So I kind of like play with it just to see if it makes a difference. And so, and I see, starting with this one, I just put no and see what it does and I hit check the estimate. And instead of March, it's going to push back 2 months into May 27th, right? So let's go back to this one. And power drivetrain, instead of a single motor, let's try dual motor. See if it's push us ahead of the time, right? So if I would have picked dual motors, I can get in December 2026. So it's about a couple months, like about I would say 3 months, 4 months sooner. But what if I want to do the tri motors? Okay, so December, so it's like 3 more months earlier. So September 2026. So right now, Jesus Lord, like 2 years from now, 2.5 years from now, before I get the Cybertruck. Well, what I wanted just the basic, either the single motor or the dual motor. Okay, so looking about maybe 2026 September. That's when I'm gonna get my Cybertruck. So I'll leave the URL, the site for you guys to try it out. I don't know how accurate this is, but it's just something if you're curious where you're in line with the Cybertrucks, because I know there's a lot of celebrities that are getting it, and they are getting the foundation series. They're paying like what $20,000 on top just to get it ahead of time. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave in the comment below. But thank you for watching. Take care. Until next time.